Hi, this is me, Ajay Kaushal. Welcome back to AIM, Achinte Institute of Mathematics. I hope you are well and healthy. Today we are going interesting and innovative method or technique to define what is difference difference between finite and infinite set. Infinite set. What is difference between finite and infinite set? It is not what you are think. It is more enough. That is every infinite infinite set has always at least one proper subset one proper subset of the given set which is similar to that set. I again read, every infinite set has always, this is an important one, at least word, and proper subset of given set which is similar to that set. What is actual mean of this definition? Let's clear it. I just take an example. Set has A, B, C, D, E, and this side 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. This set is equal to natural number. Clearly this set has a finite element, so it is a finite set, and this set contain a infinite element, so it is a infinite set. But by this result, actual difference, we can see actual difference between finite and infinite. This definition is only hold for a infinite case, not a finite case. Let's see it. If I take 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on n, this set has a n elements. This set has a n element. And now if I take a proper subset of this set, then it is 1, 2, 3 up to so on n minus 1 element, because we have to write proper subset. So that's why if its set has a n element, and proper set should be n minus 1 element or less than equal. This set has a n element, then proper subset has a element n minus 1 or less than n minus 1, maybe n minus 2, maybe n minus 3. Now if this set has a proper subset has a n minus 1 element and given set has a n element, so we can't say these sets are similar. We know that sets are similar when the cardinality of set A and cardinality of set B both are same, then we can say that these both sets are similar. But in this case set has a cardinality n and this proper subset has a cardinality n minus 1, तो cardinality तो same नहीं है, तो both set has a no cardinality same, so that's why we can see that these sets are not similar. But let's see in this case of infinite set, we have a given set of natural number as a infinite, and let's take another set which is a proper subset of natural number 2, 4, 6 up to so on. this set is a proper subset of natural number, proper subset of natural number, because it has only elements 2, 4, 6 and it has elements 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. How to prove it? How to prove these are similar? How to prove? Now we can prove by 1-1 correspondence. 1-1 correspondence means there exists a 1-1 onto map from natural number to E. Let's see. Natural number to E, we can define Fn is equal to 2n. If I take n is equal to 1 and we get 2. If I take 2, then I get 4. Like F1 is equal to 2, F2 is equal to 4 up to so on. So there is a 1-1 correspondence between natural number to E. So we can say that natural number similar to E. So this is definition applicable in case of a infinite, because natural number is a infinite set and E has also infinite but proper subset of this, and both are similar, right? One more example here. Take set of real number and open interval 0, 1. Set of real number and open interval 0, 1. This is also uncountable, this is also uncountable. So both are similar. Both are similar. So what is major difference between finite and infinite set? There is always at least one proper subset of the given set, right? Infinite set has always a proper subset. So that's it. I hope you are liking my video. Thank you so much.